Welcome back to CAR Fuse Tap. Today we are checking the fuse box locations and fuse diagram of Nissan Sentra B17 model 2013 to 2019. First, open the driver's side dashboard cover. The interior fuse box is located behind this panel. It is located under the air duct and must be dismantled to access it. The fuse box cover contains important fuse information and fuse numbers. Located between the battery and the bumper. Release the latch and remove the protective cover.